how does fracking stack up when it comes to air pollution? Well, we know that natural gas wells do leak hazardous chemicals into the air, and that there's a serious loophole that prevents the EPA from regulating that pollution. We also know that there's technology that can really drastically reduce those emissions. So let's look at those pieces one by one.
Tank, fence, school.
Right.
This is a clip from Gasland.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, you see that?
There's the
This is
condensate
just what's
tank.
coming off the top.
Yeah.
And that's why you shouldn't walk up that ladder, which I've done.
Isn't that amazing?
Whoops.
So definitely true. The stuff that they say is coming out of these condensate tanks is indeed coming out of them. So why don't we do something about it? Well, ordinarily the EPA can add up a whole bunch of nearby sources of pollution and see if the total exceeds safety limits. But there is a loophole with the oil and gas industry, which basically prevents them from doing the same thing when you're talking about oil or gas wells. And several bills have been introduced in Congress to help eliminate this loophole, but none have passed. For example, H.R. 1154 is the Breathe Act from 2013. So you really have the great opportunity here to force the regulation, and if there were regulation, oil and gas companies would have something that they could do. They have these vapor recovery units which can really drastically reduce emissions and help improve air quality substantially. And it turns out that those things actually pay off for the oil and gas companies. Within about 2 years or so, they usually do pay off. So I expect that we will probably be seeing better regulation or just voluntary adoption of these practices. That's really going to reduce the air pollution threat, but that's something that is in fact a real serious issue when it comes to fracking.